Design is meant to relay information in an interesting way. It's also meant to tell a story. How do we relay information in an interesting way and tell an interesting story at the same time? Well, we're going to be finding that out today in our design talk, where I show you a very good example of how using focal point in design as a way of telling a very interesting story with just one image, one Japanese manga cover. Let's dive in. Okay, so here we see a cover for the Japanese comic Gundam Wing. Now remember, a focal point is the part of a composition that the artist wants us to look at first. What are we meant to focus on? What information should we prioritize? The information that we are meant to prioritize is Hiro, the guy standing in the front. How do we know this? Well, let's go back to our talk about design principles. Talked about scale. Hiro is scaled to look a lot bigger than the girl on the left, whose name is Relina. So the fact that he's bigger and the fact that he is in the foreground and not the background suggests that Hiro is the first person that we're meant to see. He is the focal point of the composition. Now, why would he be the focal point of the composition? And why has this composition been set up such that Hiro being the focal point makes sense? Well, to give you some background, Hiro is the main character of Gundam Wing. But let's say you didn't know that. Let's look at Hiro's expression. Eyebrows down, look of determination. It's like he's got something on his mind, something that he wants to achieve, something that he wants to go towards. Now, what does Hiro want to go towards? We're not seeing things from Hiro's point of view, or are we? In the background, we see the girl, Relina, as well as Hiro's mobile suit, the Gundam. Relina and the Gundam are in the background. And if you noticed, they're scaled down a bit. At least Relina scaled down a bit in relations to Hiro. Maybe Hiro is looking at Relina as well as his Gundam. Maybe these two characters are two important elements in helping Hiro achieve this goal that he's so determined to achieve. Maybe this is the artist's way of showing us Hiro's point of view. He's determined, but we want to know what about. When we see the determination in his eyes, we go, what's he thinking about? He's thinking about Relina, and he's thinking about his Gundam, because his goals have a lot to do with those two characters. So this is an example of how we can use focal point to communicate something important. We want to know the story behind Hiro. Now, does this composition tell us the entire story of Hiro? No, it doesn't. But it does offer us the two characters in the background that will be very instrumental in helping him achieve his goal. So, interesting way of showing focal point and telling the story at the same time.